So little to say, but so much time. Despite my empty mouth, the words are in my mind. Please wear the face, the one where you smile, because you lighten up my heart when I start to cry. Forgive me first, love, but I'm tired. I need to get away, to feel again. Try to understand why. Don't get so close to change my mind. Please wipe that look out of your eyes. It's bribing me to doubt myself. Simply, it's time. This love has dried up and stayed behind. And if I stay, I'll be alive. Then choke on words I'd always hide. Excuse me first, love, but we're through. I need to taste the kiss